Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori. Our lessons for today are predicting possible ending of a story read, relate story events to one's experience, and ask simple questions about texts listened to. Before we begin our lesson, please do prepare a sheet of paper. Write your name on the top of the sheet of paper and write exercise 1, 1 to 5, and exercise 2, 1 to 5. Some of the reasons why we need to predict the possible ending of a story are: first, if it is a part of a series and we cannot wait for the next part. Second, if we cannot finish reading the story in one sitting. And third, if the story is open-ended, which means the author has given us the chance to end it on our own. Here are the steps on how to predict possible ending of a story you read. First, look for the reason for actions. You have to know the causes of the events that has happened in the story. Second, find hidden meaning. There might be information or details about the story that needs to be inferred. Third, sort out fact from opinion. We need to um, distinguish between facts from the story and from opinions that you have formulated in your mind as you read the story. And then the last one is to make comparisons. Remember that the best way for you to predict a possible ending of a story that you are reading is by relating it to your personal experiences or to relate it with experiences that you have heard from others. Please get the paper that you have prepared and let us answer exercise 1. In this activity, you will need to choose what will happen next. Number 1. Mrs. Cruz's first grade class was talking loudly. Mrs. Cruz looked angry. What do you think will happen next? A. Mrs. Cruz will drink water. B. Mrs. Cruz will grade the seat work. C. Mrs. Cruz will tell the class to be quiet. Number 2. Miggy will not stop talking in class. His teacher asked him to be quiet, but he does not listen. What do you think will happen to Miggy? A. He will lose recess. B. He will learn more. C. He will get a treat. Number 3. Tim had 5 candy bars for breakfast, 3 bags of chips for lunch, and 2 big pieces of cake for dessert. What do you think will Tim experience after? A. His feet will hurt. B. His stomach will hurt. Or C. His mom will miss him very much. Number 4. Ben was telling a joke to his friends. His friends thought it was very funny. How do you think his friends will react? A. They will cry. B. They will laugh. C. They will get angry. Number 5. Jerry could barely keep his eyes open. He didn't take a nap in the afternoon. What do you think will happen to Jerry? A. He will sleep early. B. He will sleep late. C. He will not sleep. Sometimes we learn new stories by listening. To have a better understanding of the stories that we listen to, we have to ask questions about it. The questions we ask should give us details about the characters, events, or what you think might happen next in the story. Please ready your paper again and let us answer exercise 2. In this exercise, you need to listen first to the story and choose all possible questions about it by placing a check mark beside the number that you have written. Listen to the story. The Lion and the Cows. Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in the forest. Every day they used to graze together in a particular spot. They were all friends. One day a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. A few days passed, and the cow quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. One by one, the lion killed all of them. Choose the questions about the story listened to. Place a check mark beside the number if you think the question is related to the story. Number 1. Is the story about cats and dogs? Number 2. Does the story include a lion? Number 3. How many cows are there? Number 4. Did the monkeys defeat the lion? And number 5. Was the lion able to eat the other animals? Don't forget to insert your paper in the clear book. That is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Until next time!